Hi, Terry Story here from Team Terry Story right here in beautiful Boca Raton. Today, we're going to discuss our market update for November 2024. So let's start off with our Boca numbers for pending sales. We had 290 sales. That represents 3.6% more than last year. Now, one of the biggest changes that I've seen for the month of November is right now we have 2,346 homes that are currently on the market here in Boca Raton. That is up 25, almost 26% over last year. So from October to November, we saw a spike of about 7%. Now, when I say that, it's not necessarily alarming because we're also now moving forward into season. So that was the biggest jump of increase that I've seen throughout the year. So it's natural to understand that when inventory is rising, the days on market, the time that it's going to take to get the home from listing it to under contract is increasing. Right now we're looking at 69 days. That's up 30% over last year. So what I can say about the median price here in Boca Raton, we're at $577,500. That's up 10% over last year. So we still are experiencing appreciation in our area. So one of the biggest numbers that I like to follow is the absorption rate. This tells us where we are in the market. For years, I've been reporting this that we've been under 6%. I can officially now tell you we are at 6.38 level month of inventory in Boca Raton. Once we cross the 6-month mark, that's where we see the shift from a seller's market to a neutral market. Now we're into a buyer's market. We're up 32% over last year when we look at the absorption rate. So our solds, those are homes that actually closed, we're down 26% over last year. We closed for the month of November 216 properties. So here's the bottom line to all of this and my perspective. There is some seasonality going on, so we've seen the inventory levels rise, the days on market rise, but being out on the street selling homes, I can personally tell you that we're seeing still multiple offer situations and a lot of activity. It comes down to this. When a home is priced right, they are still selling, they're still able to get multiple offers. There's a huge pent-up demand for housing. Interest rates are somewhere in the 6s. It varies depending, week to week. The interest rates most likely aren't going to come down much. So if you're in the market to buy a home, look at the payment, what you can afford, and match your payment to a home that suits your needs. So it's a great time to buy a home. If you'd like to learn more about what's happening in this market or any of the markets around here, subscribe below and give me a thumbs up. See you next month.